I'm not surprised with the performance of Seyi Makinde. You can only belong to G5, stand your feet on the ground because you know what you are doing. It's only those who are afraid, who have nothing to offer, that cannot stand firm and be bold and take a decision and say that we must put things right. It doesn't matter who is involved. Your governor has shown that he has the capacity, has shown he's a man you can depend on, has shown that he's a man that will not tolerate complete slavery. I'm happy he's one of those that have made history by making sure power shifts to the south. I have told people that those who fight for change, those who fight for revolution, may not be direct beneficiaries of that fight. But today, history has it that all of us now are aware that when power finishes from the south, it will go to the north. When it finishes from the north, it will come to the south. So it does not need to be written in any constitution at all before it is implemented. And I thank Nigerians for standing firm to see that this issue materialized. Seyi, you've done quite a number of things. Somebody has said here that you are humble. Your own humility is infectious, but you are very dangerous. He's very humble. He doesn't talk like us, but it's very dangerous. And so you should like people like me who will talk than somebody who is not talking. When you see his action, you say, is this Seyi really? So let me expose you to the people. Be careful that he doesn't talk. When he bites you, I don't think there's any doctor that will be able to bring you out. What you've done today, somebody may ask, why is he doing this? He's the governor of Oyo State. He wants the economy of his people to improve. Look at the airport, the VIP lounge. These things are supposed to be the responsibility of the federal government. Look at the airport road, named after our elder statesman. It's supposed to be the responsibility of federal government. I've heard the regional manager saying that he wants more. He wants more. Tell federal government to refund the state the money they have invested here. Or they should hands off and hand over the airport to them. Hand over the airport to them. You cannot be spending state money at the same time you are the one controlling the airport. That is not. And that's what we're talking about. True federalism. That's what we're talking about. Restructuring. Certain things that federal government giving to themselves, but will not perform anyone. All they do at the end of every month, collect the highest percentage of the funds, and then begin to do all kinds of things. I thank God Supreme Court today has told them that the old money remains valid till December. So if you still have your old money, use it. The highest court of the land has said so. Too bad for the governor of Central Bank. He has no choice. There's no any other directive that will override the judgment of Supreme Court. So I'm happy. You have said that today will be the first day, which is history making, where an aircraft will take fuel from this airport. No wonder when some aircraft land there, they go back and refuel. But now, no going back. You land here, you take fuel here. Sheyi, God Almighty will continue to bless you. I don't want to talk about their second tenor. I don't want to talk about it. I know that the people of Oyo State know good things. One good turn deserves another. If in his first time, he can perform this way, what then will you think he will do second time? He will overperform like us. He will overperform because we told him the only way we can hand over power to you, he is our youth leader in the G5 group. He's our youth leader. So we are looking forward to hand over to him as we are retiring. And the only way we can do that is that he will continue to perform for the people of Oyo State. And I can guarantee him, Oyo people, I can guarantee that Sheyi will do very, very well, better than what he has done in the first time. So you can close your eyes on the 11th, close your eyes. Don't ask. Everything you are pressing must be what? Umbrella. Everything you are pressing must be what? Umbrella. There's no relationship with anybody again. The only relationship we have on the 11th of March is what? Umbrella. The DJ, you can't tempt me today. So, anywhere you are, all you are thinking now is what? Umbrella. If you are eating, what are you eating? Umbrella. As you are with your wife, what are you doing? Umbrella. As you go and bath, what will you be doing? Umbrella. Even when you are entering vehicle, what are you entering? Umbrella. So, these people, I am sure you are not from the other party. So, don't hear any grammar again. The only grammar you can hear now is umbrella. Nothing like broom. Broom has ended Saturday last week. Do you understand me? Labor has ended Saturday last week. But what is going to reign now is what? Umbrella. So, thank you very much. That dance will be meaningful on Saturday, 11th. Because when they sweet us that day, he going to pay them. As he paid them on Saturday, he sweet us.
As he sweet us, he paid them. As he paid them, he sweet us.
So, I thank all of you for the massive support you are giving to my brother Sheyi Makinde. So we are joining the league of former, but very good former. There are some that are not good former. Me, I'll be a good former governor. A former governor with capital F, not a former governor with small f. Just like I'm a governor with capital G. There are some people who are governors with small g. Sheyi is a governor with capital G. We know those who are governors with small g. They will remain there. They will not go anywhere.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.